Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Nicole. Welcome. Hope you stick around and enjoy some more of my videos. Today's Saturday. We're gonna go buy some clothes. Yeah, I'm excited. Some clothes, some shoes. So yeah, I'm excited. Okay, we're going to Mall of Africa. So let's go.
Afraid, emotions getting in your way. Afraid, but why you let me fall in love if you're afraid to commit? And don't call me in the middle of the night and say that you're not able to be loved. That's not right. No, I don't wanna be that one. Still a million miles from you, so I'm gonna let you go. Oh boy, if you only knew, not a day goes by without you on my mind. You couldn't go on together. You said nothing lasts forever.
Hi everyone. So today's Sunday, it's the next day. We're going out again because we didn't really finish yesterday. Well, we finished, but we didn't really finish. So we're gonna go out and get some more stuff. Oh, I went to the dentist, I told you not. She said my teeth were top tier and I only have to see her next year. So yeah, I'm only seeing her again next year, but we're gonna go to the mall again. We're gonna go to H&M again because my mom has something she wants to say. Okay, we're going to the mall again. The sun is out again, so the lighting's off again. Let's zoom through this. We're going to the mall. We're going to Cotton On Outlet. I just want to see what they have. We're going to Adidas and potentially Woolworths. My sister said something about shorts, but yeah, we're gonna go there. I'm gonna bring them along. Hopefully I remember, because once we get to the place, I just zone out and then I'm not vlogging anymore. But yesterday I tried to remember. But H&M had beautiful things and they're so affordable, and apparently, oh, not apparently, they got rid of the plus section, so there's no like plus extended size section anymore. What they said is that they're actually just going to extend the sizes of the ladies section that's already on the floor. So they're going to offer bigger sizes, but they're not going to cater specifically to bigger people. So in terms of like jeans and, you know, pants, they're not offering that for bigger people. Well, you can get pants. I guess you can get like regular pants, but jeans, no. So I will show you everything that I got in a haul. So that's on the agenda for today. I'm going to bring you along and hopefully I remember to vlog. Let's go. Okay, you guys, so it's much later. We're back home. This is everything that I got. So this is from yesterday and today. That big one's from yesterday, and that one's from last week, and the rest are from today. So yeah, I have to film this video like tomorrow because I can't have all these bags in my room like all the time. So I'm gonna film this tomorrow and hopefully I'll get up for you soon. So yeah, I'll see you guys later.
I'm gonna let you go. Oh boy, if you only knew. Not a day goes by without you on my mind. You couldn't go on together. You said nothing lasts forever. Though you can't deny, hold it all inside. No, you can trust me, just close your eyes, knowing that I'm around. 'Cause I don't wanna be that one.
Okay guys, so this is the finished plate. I made chicken teriyaki. There's some cabbage that was left over and some spinach, and then just plain rice. On the chicken, I have some toasted sesame seeds and some parsley, dried. And everyone has the same plate. And this one just doesn't have spinach. Yeah, this is dinner. I've shown you this recipe before, but I will link it down below if you're interested.
It's all a bluff. It's all a bluff. It's sad you never thought I was good enough, but I called you East your kingdom and it's all a bluff. I've been thinking, 'cause I don't wanna waste my precious time.
Hi everyone. So it's much later now, it's Monday. I think I'm gonna upload the Q&A. I'm actually gonna check the poll on Instagram first. I'm cooking, but I'm cooking something really basic, so I'm probably not gonna show you. So yeah, I just came on to update you. Oh, I bought some more clothes, but they'll all be in the haul, so I guess you'll see that pretty soon. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hi everyone, so today's Tuesday. I just got my nails done. How cute. It's like the end of Feb, but I really like this style. And I can do hearts like all year long if I want to. But I love these. Anyway, a couple things. I got a question on Instagram yesterday from someone who had missed the initial Q&A box. And their question was, what advice would you give someone looking for love in 2022? And my honest answer to that is I don't know. Just be yourself. Maybe that's the most important one. Creating a persona or like acting differently to impress someone, it gets old pretty quickly. So maybe just be yourself. Be confident, or you don't have to be confident all the time, but just make the necessary effort or take the necessary steps into that direction, basically. Being more confident in yourself, more comfortable, being unapologetically yourself, and everything else just kind of aligns when you know who you are, you know your worth, and all of that fun stuff. So maybe just like try that, but I'm obviously not an expert, so I wouldn't know. Sorry, that's my honest answer. I really wouldn't know. But I guess that's all you can do, really. Is just be you, work on yourself, constantly trying to improve yourself. And I feel like all those other things will align on their own. But yeah, that was that. Yesterday I filmed a haul. I still have to edit it. It was a long one. It's gonna be a long one. And so I hope you're ready. I'm so tired. Can you tell? I slept at 3 a.m. yesterday. Trying to finish a book. I didn't even finish it, but okay. That's a story for another day. Actually, no. Let's talk about it. I read 7 Days in June. I'll put the picture here. This book took me so long to read. It's not even that long, but it took me so long to read, and I just didn't get into it the way that I would have liked. Like, it didn't spark anything. I couldn't believe how long I was taking to get through it, and so that kind of threw me off. Also, okay, I keep forgetting about the giveaway. It should happen soon, okay? Soon. Like, not soon, but soon. The latest that it could happen is June, my birthday, but hopefully it's gonna happen like next month. If everything goes well, it should happen next month. It's a care package. I haven't even started, you guys. The beginning of the year is always very tricky. My sister just started varsity, so dealing with all of her things was so consuming, and we're still dealing with them even now. And then my things as well for varsity, and we have my cousin here and her things for varsity. She's also doing varsity. Like, it's been a rough couple of weeks here, and I think it should kind of calm down in March. So hopefully I start. I don't know how I want to package it yet. Do I get a big basket and then just kind of fill it with things? I don't know, but then how would I? You know what? I'll figure it out. And yeah, but I just wanted to update you on that situation, say that it's coming.
The sparkle in your eyes, I feel the warmth of your skin, just the touch